subhanahu wa ta'ala loves you more than you could ever love yourself. Believe me, no any other person can love you as your mother do, but only Allah loves you more than a mother. I realize that Allah's way of loving us is completely different from the way we love ourselves or the way others love us. When Allah loves you, He tests you. He tests your patience, sabr. Sometimes Allah tests you by not giving what you are asking for because He wants to test your patience. He tests you with difficulties. Allah knows you are tired. Allah knows you're trying. Allah knows it's difficult for you. But do you know that Allah will never put you in a situation you can't handle, no matter what difficulties you are facing. Always trust Allah. He is the only solution of every problem. So never ever leave hope from Allah's mercy. Allah does not burden a soul beyond that it can bear. When Allah loves you, He protects you from something bad that can bring you further away from Allah. Since Allah is our creator, He fundamentally knows what is best for us in every situation. Therefore, even if some of the things He gave us may be the opposite of what we want, when Allah loves His slave, He will test him. You can check out the life of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah loves him a lot, but the life of Prophet, peace be upon him, was full of difficulties. This is the love of Allah. We have to deal with sabr, patience. So when Allah loves His slave, He will test him. Allah will allow a person to suffer what the world knows as a loss. But in the eyes of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that's the way of gaining closeness to Allah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala listens to all your spoken and unspoken prayers and grants you the ones which are the best for you. Trust Him, connect with Him, ask to Him. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala always listens. It's you who is not talking. It's you who is not asking. Allah has the perfect timing. He never give early, never late. He takes a little patience, but it always worth the wait.